guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Pretty Fit Community. So today I'm sharing my weight loss journey. As you all know, I was struggling to lose my weight from last 8 years, and if this video can help you in any way, I'll be very glad. So let's get into the video. It's like when I got my first job, that time just because of my unhealthy lifestyle, I gained a lot of weight, and when I joined my job, I was 46 kg, and in 10 months I was 81 kg, and I was detected with thyroid also. And that time I realized, okay, I need to do something. I cannot be like this because I was not feeling confident in that weight. So I decided to follow some diet so that I can lose weight. And diet means actually diet, it was totally crash diet because that time I didn't have any knowledge of nutrition or any workout. There was no one to guide me what I need to actually follow. So I just saw on YouTube how to lose weight, and there were so many crash diets, keto diets, paleo diet, juice diet, water cleanse diet, and whatnot. And I was like, okay, I will do, because that time I was so depressed and I was so anxious that I was ready to follow anything, and I was ready to do anything to lose my weight. So I followed it, and actually I was literally eating 300 calories in a day. I was starving to death, but I wanted to follow that, and I did that, and I lost weight. I lost from 81 kg, I guess I came to nearly 63-64 kg by following that crash diets. But that was sustainable? No, it was not at all, because for how many months I can eat 300 calories? 3 months, 6 months? After that, what? And after 3 months I also got admit in hospital just because I was eating 300 calories. My metabolism got poor, and I was literally struggling a lot. And then I decided that I will eat normally what I was eating back, and again I started eating back normally whatever I used to eat. And again, the weight I lost, I gained it back just because it was not sustainable. I was following crash diet, I was doing fad diets. It was not sustainable. I was restricting myself a lot, so I was literally craving for every single thing, and I ate whatever things I was craving for. I ate everything, and I gained my weight back, and it was again 75 kgs. Again I thought I need to lose weight, but then again I did the same thing. I followed that diet thing, and I didn't follow healthy eating. In my first video itself I told you need to follow healthy eating, because diet itself, it's not sustainable. So you need to follow healthy eating. But then again I did the same thing. I followed a diet, and it was not sustainable, but again I lost weight for some time. Then again I gained it back. So it was like a cycle. I was losing weight, I was gaining back. I was losing weight, I was gaining back. So then I decided I will join gym. I will do workout, and I will lose weight. But I didn't know that nutrition matters a lot. It's like 70-30 ratio, 70% nutrition, 30% exercise. Some people say it's 80-20, whatever is there, but nutrition is the key, and we have to follow it. But I was like, no, I will eat whatever I want to eat, and I will go to gym, and I will lose all the weight whatever I'm eating. So literally I used to do this thing. I used to go to gym, and after that directly I used to go to cafe, and I used to have pizza, and I was just chilling. But then I realized I'm not losing weight, I'm actually gaining it back. And then I thought, I'm going to gym, I'm not losing weight. But then also I was like, okay, it's okay if I'm not losing, I don't care. Again at some point I realized, okay, I need to lose weight. Again I started some diet. Again I reached to 63-64. That was a game. It was on and off, on and off, on and off. So when I reached to 63, I was like, okay, I don't need to lose weight, and I'll start eating healthy. I thought like that. But then I moved to some other country for job, and there also, just because of my unhealthy lifestyle, I was eating pizza every day, and I just didn't pay attention to my health, that what I'm doing wrong with my health, and I was just eating pizza and all that. And when I came back to my place, again I realized, okay, I need to lose weight, but then there was no proper nutrition knowledge, nothing was there. So I was not completely able to follow it. And then this lockdown started, and when this happened, I was like, I need to do something this time, and this time I'm not going to follow any diet, because I'm just tired of following these so many diets and getting nothing. Because whatever I was losing, I was gaining back. So there is no sustainability. What is the sense? I am starving myself, and again I'm gaining it back. I don't want to follow any diet. I need to do something better, because life is much more about just losing weight and gaining weight. I just can't do this thing all my whole life. So I researched a lot because there was nothing to do anyways. I was sitting idle, so I researched a lot on Google and every other place where I can, I could do the research. I did that, and I actually got to know how my body works, how our body works. You need to eat according to your calories, and you need to eat according to your macros. Your protein should be there, fat should be there, carbs should be there. There should be a proportion, there should be a balance. Then only your body will react. If you will eat less calories, then maybe you will lose weight for a short term, but then you will gain it back, because it is not sustainable. Lifetime you cannot do it. So this time I didn't restrict myself, because if I'll restrict myself later, I will binge. I don't wanted that. If I wanted to eat something, I had it that time itself. I don't wanted to crave myself for anything, and that was the key. And within 1 month I actually noticed the result, and I was so surprised that this time I'm eating a lot of calories what I used to eat in my past weight loss journey, and I'm actually losing weight, and I'm actually getting leaner. And then I was like, okay, I need to do some workouts also, just because there was nothing to do. I was just sitting at home. Then I started following Hannah's workout. I saw her on YouTube, and I was like, okay, I need to do something. And I was following her workouts. They were so easy, and as a beginner, I wanted to do some easy moves, but on the other hand, it should be effective, and her workouts were effective. I followed her ab workout, thigh workout, breast workout. Everything was effective, and it was not tired at all, because the workout should be like, you need to enjoy it. If you feel like it is torturing you, then you're not enjoying, and you don't need to do it. So I was literally enjoying my workouts. I was losing my weight, and when I started this weight loss journey, I was 70 kg, and after 3 months I was able to lose it, 15 kgs. I was 55 kg in July, and I was feeling so positive. I was feeling so confident from inside outside, and I was feeling like I'm the best version of myself. It's not about losing weight, it's about how do you feel about yourself. And I was feeling very happy. I was feeling so much better. So I was so happy. But then after that, maybe my body hit a weight loss plateau, and I was not losing weight further. But I was not trying also to lose weight. Means I was just doing whatever I was doing, because I was not on a diet. I was eating healthy. So I was so comfortable in whatever I was eating. I was so happy with my body, the way it was reacting to it. And after some time, again I started losing weight, because my body broke that plateau, and I was again losing weight. And currently in front of you, I'm here weighing 51 kg. But I just don't care now about my weight. If I'm gaining some weight also, then also it's okay. It is life. You need to you don't need to think every time what you are eating it has calories, you will weigh more. So this is life, and we need to live our life. Life is more about more than that, about weight loss and weight gain. So that was all about it, my weight loss journey. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask me in the comment box below. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.